Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dan Froelke, and this is video number 3 of my 3-part training series, how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. This is step-by-step training on how you can go, even as a brand new beginner, from $0 to $10,000 per month within the next 90 days. And like I said, this is video number 3 in this step-by-step passive income training series. Now, if you have not yet watched video number 1 and 2, you will need to watch these first to get up to speed so you'll know what I'm talking about in this video here. So I'm going to leave those links at the bottom in the description of this video and at the end of this video on the end screen, okay? All right, so just to recap, I've been a successful affiliate marketer for over 13 years now. I've helped thousands of people make money online using member-to-member instant pay programs that pay out 100% commissions. In fact, my entire YouTube channel is dedicated to those such programs because they include automated systems that do all the explaining and selling and telling for you. So if you are looking to make money online from home with affiliate marketing and you want to learn from a top earner and a respected leader in this industry, subscribe to my channel and make sure you click the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now, in video number 1 of this training series, I talked about my online journey, how I got started, what I used to do for a living before this, my struggles as an affiliate marketer, and how I turned everything around to earn a multiple 6-figure income for many years now. And in video number 2, I showed you the exact formula that's allowed me to go from 0 to generating over $10,000 per month in passive income, and the platform that we're using to do this. It's called 98 Limited, and it's the best passive income system that I've used so far. 98 Limited allows you to earn $98 instant commissions paid directly to you. And these are 100% commissions paid to you over and over again, month after month. Now, there's a lot of passive income systems out there. A very popular one, off the top of my head, is Live Good. And I'm sure you've heard of it. Live Good is a great business, and I'm not here to knock it at all, but the commissions are very small. And in order to generate $10,000 plus with Live Good, well, you're going to need to recruit hundreds and hundreds of people. In fact, one of the top earners, his name is Jeff Amon, makes about $20,000 per month with Live Good. But he had to recruit over 1,000 people. You know, that's a lot of hustling. It's a lot of work. And I don't know about you, but $98 commissions makes more sense to me. And that's why I love 98 Limited. And that's why I'm using it in this 0 to 10K per month training series. Work smarter, not harder, right? Heck, if you just want to earn an extra $1,500 in residual income month after month, that's just 15 sales. All right, that's 15 sales with 98 Limited. And the digital products inside 98 Limited have tremendous value and are designed to teach you the necessary skills to have success online with affiliate marketing. So in video number 2, I showed you step by step how to set up your 98 Limited business so you can start receiving these $98 payments. You should have also purchased the software My Lead Gen Secret, and this is going to allow us to get 100 leads per day. And we're going to email them my proven emails to get even more $98 commissions. And again, if you have not yet watched video number 1 and 2, you have to go do that right now. So both links are in the description of this video. All right, here we go. Training video number 3. All right, so you should have already purchased My Lead Gen Secret software. And I just love this software because for just $30 a month, it's going to allow us to get 100 leads per day. You'll also get a custom-built mailing system to send these leads my proven email swipes. And the swipes are going to help you get sales in your 98 Limited business. So if you have not purchased My Lead Gen Secret software, well, it's in step number 2 right below. Go ahead and do that for sure right now. Let's log into my lead gen secret, and also make sure you have my 0 to 10K swipes available. Okay, now if you don't have this right here, that's step number 3 below. Okay, in the description of this video, just go ahead and click the link and you'll see these all these emails right here that we're going to use for my lead gen secret. And this is very easy to do. Here's what you're going to do when you log in. So right here, you're going to create a message. You're going to click on this and create a message. What we want to do, let me put this up here. What we want to do, we want to choose this one, mail by date, and we can select all. I'm going to mail to 7,300 people. Okay, so again, you're going to get 100 leads per day, every single day, and they'll be over in this column. And when you want to do a mailing, you just move them over to this column exactly how I did that, right? So then we're going to send from your name, okay? Send from Dan Froelke, no reply. And of course, it's going to have your name here, but always choose this right here. And if you have emailed before, you're going to have the emails saved right here, so that way it'll be easier for you to write these emails. Okay, but here's what we're going to do for now. We're going to scroll down. Well, first of all, we're going to put the subject line right in here. So move over to the 0 to 10K email swipes, and here is the subject line right here. We're just going to go ahead and copy that. Okay, right click, copy. Going to go over here, and we're going to paste it in. Just like that. Then, okay, so we have these codes here to put the person's first name inside the emails, and that's always a good thing to do to personalize that. From my experience, we'll respond to emails a little better if it's personalized with their name. Okay, so we're going to scroll down, and this is the actual place where we're going to put the body of the email. We can get rid of all this right here. Just highlight it, click delete, and this is where we're going to write the actual email. All right, so I made it pretty easy for you. This is the body. So we're just going to highlight just a very short and sweet email. Okay, and we're going to copy that. Going to bring it over here like this and just paste it on in. Well, actually, you have to do it in here first. Okay, so this is HTML editor. So we have to paste it in here, and then go here. Now you see all these spaces and all this. We're going to clean this up. We're also going to add a hyperlink right here, and that's going to be your referral link to your 98 limited capture page. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. But first, let's clean this up. We'll get rid of these spaces here. Get rid of that word. And we're also going to put in the person's first name in here. So what we do that, we use this little code right here. You've got the full name you can put in there, first name, last name, email address, IP address, and the sign up date. All right, so what we're going to do, we're just going to put the first name in there. So we're going to copy this, okay, this whole code right there. And we're going to put that, let's get rid of the comma, put a little space in here, and we're going to put it right in here. Control V. All right, so hey there, and it's going to be the first name. And then we put the comma. It's true. Watch the video here. Super short. All right, now this is where we're going to put our 98 Limited referral link. All right, so I just happen to have mine open here, and this is a referral link. If you remember, we're going to do this. We're going to copy it. Copy that. We're going to go back over, and we're going to highlight this. Watch the video here. We're going to click on this link here. We're going to add the link. Then we're going to put our referral link right in here. Paste. Okay, now what we want to open this up in another window. Okay, so when they click on it, it's going to open it up for them in another window. So We click on Target, New Window. Okay, we click OK, and there we go. Now you can add your phone number here. You can put like any questions, give me a call. Put your number in there. That's really it. Now what we want to do, because this is very small and I really don't like the font. So we're going to copy this. And what I always like, I like Verdana. And we're going to switch just to 14 point. There. Okay. That's all you have to do. Hey there, John. It's true. Watch the video here. Super short. It's seriously crazy. To your success, Dan Froelke. Easy as that. You can preview it right here. It's exactly what it's going to look like. And if I give this a click, it's going to open to my 98 Unlimited capture page. All right. So we're going to close that. And then we want to select this right here. Okay. So you can now predict the optimal delivery hour. Okay. So what this means is if a person opened up your previous email, let's say at 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Well, the system knows that and it will send it out during that time. Or if it's 8 o'clock in the morning, or if it's noon. So it's kind of cool. So just give that. All you have to do is give this a click. Now, I just sent this email out, so I'm not going to do it. But really, all you have to do is give this a click right here. Okay? Actually, I will, just for the heck of it. Give that a click. And it's working. That's okay if they receive it again. I don't really mind. All right, and it says here, your message has been keyed. You should be able to view it on the stats page in a few minutes, and you also have to wait 24 hours before your next mailing. That's it. That's all you do. And we're going to be doing this every other day for 30 days using the email swipes that I provided. And here's where the excitement starts. People are going to be opting into your capture page, and they'll be redirected to the company presentation page where they're going to learn all about 98 Unlimited and how they too can make money online with this system. And at the same time, they're going to be added to your contact list inside your members area. And I'm going to show you that right now. Now, when you start receiving contacts and start to build your list, like mine here, the prospects will start opening up your emails and clicking on your links. So I want to show you how you can tell that. Okay, as you can see right down here, if there's a little green envelope, that means they open up the email. If there's a link, that means they clicked on a link within your email. Okay, for example, these people here, this guy Joe, he did, opened up the email and clicked on the link. So the people that have the little envelope along with the link, well, they're more interested than others, right? Because they've actually opened up the email and clicked on some links, all right? Now, we have a strategy within the system that'll help convert these people, okay? It'll help you make more sales, and I'm going to show you that right now. So in the left-hand menu, just click on Resources and Broadcast Opt-in Email, okay? Now, you can watch this video that explains all this right here. But in a nutshell, this is how it works, okay? So what we're going to do, those people who are more interested, all right, opening up the emails and clicking on our links, well, we're going to send them this personalized email. Okay, so it says here, dear first name, I want to thank you for taking the time to review our 98 Unlimited program. If you ever wanted to create true passive income, you can do it here. We have a bonus page that'll give you more insider information. Feel free to check it out here. And your sales page link is already built in right here, okay? And this program is growing quickly, and I'd hate for you to miss out. All the best. Put your name, email, phone, and that's it. All right, so again, all you have to do is copy the headline. Okay, we've got the headline here, welcome to 98 Unlimited, and this is the body. So let's go back to the contact, my contacts here. For example, okay, let's look at Ed here. Okay, open up the email. He's clicking on links. He did this 83 times. So you think he's interested? Absolutely. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to click on actions and we're going to email him personally, right? So all I have to do is give this a click here and again, put in the subject line, the body, and send the email. This is going to go directly to his email. And this really helps people who are on the fence about joining 98 Unlimited. Okay, so this is a great strategy right here. And as I mentioned in the very first video, we have many different ways to advertise your 98 Unlimited business. And most of these are completely hands-free. We have done for you postcards and done for you text messaging. And we have a service that does all that stuff for us. We have done for you solo ads. We have drop cards, social media training, flyers, sales letters, and banner ads, and places to advertise your banner ads. And of course, just for joining me as your sponsor, you're going to get top tier 1 traffic for 60 days on me, along with a bunch of other bonuses to help you have success in your 98 Unlimited business. All right, you guys, you now have the complete formula, the resources and training that I used to go from zero to generating over $10,000 per month in passive income using this very simple system, 98 Unlimited. Now it's time for you to roll up your sleeves and commit to the next 90 days and build your business. Now, mindset is extremely important as well. So I've included a complete mindset training series inside my team training site as well, and you're going to get access to that. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section below or reach out to me personally. I will leave my contact information there as well. So I wish you the very best in your 0 to 10K journey, and I look forward to working with you. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the next video.